Good evening, sir. Now, my
Good evening.
point is sustainability is not a gimmick. It is very, very serious thing now. Okay.
Sir.
Not only for the industries, but also for the academic institution, also for the individuals, because the way we are moving with the temperature growing, if it is crossed beyond 2%, 2 degrees centigrade, it's going to havoc.
Right,
Because our honorable prime minister has already committed in COP26 by 2070 will be carbon net zero. Now the confusion among the industries are whether they should be carbon net zero, or they should be carbon zero, or there should be no GHG emission, and also compliances on ESG, which is again going to be mandated now across the industries who are listed. And apart from their reporting their annual general meeting reports, they have to report sustainability reporting now every year on year basis. And if they don't do that, then there is no chance of getting loans, no chance of happening merger and acquisitions, no chance of growing business. Everything will be stalled.